Hey guys.
Hello.
We are taking you on a little adventure to Chinatown.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yes.
Here in LA, downtown LA.
My first time here.
Here's the entranceway into Chinatown. I back up a little bit. They have this the dragons going over here, over the street. I'm not even sure what street this is. This is Cesar E. Chavez Avenue is what we're on. And they have a little welcome sign here. Chinese, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's some kind of aging center. Anyways, here's the welcome entryway into Chinatown. We're here with Mercy's cousins.
Yeah, my cousin there.
All of her cousins are taking us on a little tour. Welcome to Chinatown. Met up with Mercy's cousins, had a little meal. Say hello to everyone.
Hi. I love that. I bet at night time they turn the light on.
Yeah, I'm sure it's lit up. Yeah, at night. All right, let's see what this takes us. What we're doing here. Gonna go see the Chinatown section of LA. Doing a wheelie. He's still doing the wheelie on that four-wheeler. Look at this place over here.
It's actually a parking lot.
That's a parking lot?
Yes.
It's a fancy parking lot. It's got to be more than just a parking lot.
I think they have a restaurant with my cousins.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it makes more sense. That's a fancy parking lot. Yeah, it looks like a little restaurant or something. They got some Mexican food here at Chinatown. Can't lose the Mexican food flavor, even in Chinatown, right?
Even in Chinatown. We're everywhere. Mom.
Yeah, even in Chinatown, they're serving Mexican food. Yeah, we got a little street veggie market going on. Just hanging out. There he goes. Kinds of veggies on the street. Kind of reminds me of the Philippines. There's little baby mangoes. Check them out.
How much this?
Little miniature mangoes. Reminds you of the Philippine roadside stands, doesn't it? A lot of the same veggies here. Got the long beans. Got the large daikon radishes. Little shops, little bug farm terrariums. Put some insects in there. Oh, there's fish in there. Oh, it's a turtle. Little turtle house. Baby turtles. With kitty cats. Get you some cheap luggage over here.
Yeah.
At our rate, we're going to need another piece of luggage. All the stuff Mercy's been buying, we're going to need more luggage. We got separated from our group, missed the light. I was telling them we just run across the street in the Philippines. You don't wait for these lights.
No, you don't.
If it's open, you just do it.
Yeah, over here we'll get a ticket.
They'll give you a ticket for jaywalking if you don't wait for the light.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. So we got the green light to go. Had to wait our turn. Got some drinks. Some good looking berries. Little piñas.
Hello.
Hey there. Look at those dragon fruit. Rambutan too?
Nonsense.
Oh,
That's a
okay.
Yucatan thing.
The dragon fruit here is a little pale. They're not bright red. There's some more red ones there.
$3 one piece.
Dragon fruit.
I know that. Look at that one.
Yeah, there's just different varieties, I guess. They go guava. They're unloading the trucks right here. They got a bunch of cherries, fresh cherries. Beautiful cherries. Looks good. What's this, the jackfruit?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey girls. She said she never tried jackfruit. Here's her chance. Here's your chance. She's never tried before. You try the jackfruit. There it is, a whole cup of it.
Just a little piece.
What's that?
Jackfruit. Those big ones right there. All right, you let us know what you think.
It's good. It's like a mango.
It's like candy almost. It should be. Yeah, there's the whole one.
Tiene sabor como a papaya.
There he is. So this is very similar to the ones we see in the Philippines. This is a little smaller actually. Very sticky. That's why he's wearing gloves. That's like glue on your hands. What do you think for the first time? Not your flavor?
Not my favorite.
Not your favorite? Oh well, it's a unique flavor to jackfruit.
I like guanabana.
Oh look, they got our chilies here.
Oh yeah, those.
There's our same chilies we eat in the Philippines.
No.
I don't know what kind they are.
Parece, pero no es a, yeah,
Exactly that. You dice those up. Dice that up and put it in soy sauce. And then you pour it on your rice. Wow. So this bakery since 1938 it's been here. Well, that's a long tradition of baking.
So my family has been coming here since, I don't know, before.
Yeah. All right, let's take a look and see what this bakery's all about. Ooh. Look at those cinnamon rolls. That's what I'm talking about. Macadamia cookies. Well, looky there. Who would ever guess?
No, in
that they had
Chinatown.
churros in Chinatown. Look at these cheese croissants. Look good. Oh, look at these cakes. Look at those almond covered cakes. Oh, it must be a bestseller. They got a whole cake case full of them. Cream horn. Gotta love a good cream horn. Oh, they got an ooberry. I was kind of looking at those cinnamon rolls.
You want a cinnamon
If
roll?
we could eat a cinnamon roll with our coffee,
Okay.
or one of these cheesy croissants, cream cheese
look at this one.
croissant, custard and raisin Danish. That's different.
I want to get one cinnamon
And one custard.
Okay. Excuse me.
All right, I'm gonna get my goodies. So how's that churro? Not so good? Oh, see, you don't buy a churro in a Chinese bakery. You go to the Mexican bakery for the churro.
Yes, exactly. That's what I told you.
Yeah.
Costco.
But it's edible, I guess. It's gone.
Costco.
Costco makes good churros? Really? Wow.
Pretty good.
All right, so
Do you guys want to see what's inside?
we can walk down in there while we're here, I guess. That was the strawberry cake special bakery. That place just sold so many strawberry cakes that I bet it was 80% of their business at least. Looking behind in the little cooler section, it's just loaded with the same cake. So they must have I think I bought the wrong kind of cake to try. All right, we're going in this little plaza area. I'm not even sure what this is called. Wherever this little archway is, whatever that says. There's a lot of little places back in here, little stores, gift shops, restaurants. Burger Lords. Chinatown's #1 hamburger. Burger Lords. I gotta check that out. Anytime I see burger, I'm interested in seeing what's going on with the burger. Especially if it says #1 hamburger in Chinatown, I gotta check it out. Let's see what they look like at least. Alright. Basically, here's the menu. Cheeseburger, vegan cheeseburger, smash burger, rain burger. Damn. Pretty cool. If I wasn't so full, I'd try one. Here's our goodbyes. Everybody's taking off, and we're parting ways.
Bye.
Always great to meet up with you. It's been years.
I know.
But
hopefully I'll see you guys soon.
Hopefully it
again.
won't be more years before we see each other again. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on our Chinatown tour
Bye.
here in LA.
Thank
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.